Okay, so I just took this out the box, and now I'm gonna finish unwrapping it. And we're gonna see how good it actually is. It got good reviews online. Or at least it had some stars, some good stars next to it. I think about 4 stars. So, ooh, material feels sturdy. And I love the fact that it had a backpack built in. So you literally, let's see, they say you can put it on your back and carry it. Oh yeah, I like that. I got 2 of these. So let's get to opening. Simple latch here. Headrest. Oh, nice. I think that's going to be right at the level I want it at. Sturdy. Got a spot for your drink. And somehow, it's supposed to be adjustable. There it is. You lift the handles up, and then it adjusts to different seating levels. So you bring both of them up at the same time. That would have been good to know while I was sitting in it. But overall, I'd rate this about a 5. We're going to take it on vacation next week and see how it does.